Hey everyone, welcome back to City Wonders. You know that travel bug everyone's always talking about? Yeah, it bit me hard. So here I am, in St. Petersburg, Russia. This place is like stepping into a history book, but with better snacks. Today, we're exploring the beautiful city of St. Petersburg, Russia. From mind-blowing palaces to hidden local spots, get ready for an adventure filled with amazing sights and fun activities. Alright, first up, the Hermitage Museum. This place is a treasure trove of art and history, nestled in the heart of St. Petersburg, Russia. Now, I know what you're thinking, another museum? But hold on, this isn't just any museum, but trust me on this one. This isn't your grandma's dusty old museum. The Hermitage has a modern twist that makes it stand out. The Hermitage is huge, like seriously massive. Imagine a complex of 6 historic buildings, including the Winter Palace, all filled with art. It's one of the largest and oldest museums in the world, and it's packed with enough art and history to make your head spin. With over 3 million items in its collection, it's a feast for the eyes and the mind. We're talking masterpieces by Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, Rembrandt, the all-stars of the art world. Each piece tells a story, a glimpse into the past. You could spend weeks here and still not see everything. The sheer volume of art is staggering. From ancient Egyptian artifacts to modern European paintings. I mean, they even have cats patrolling for mice. Talk about OG pest control. These feline guardians have been part of the museum's history since the time of Empress Elizabeth. But seriously, even if you're not an art buff, the Hermitage is worth a visit. There's something for everyone, from stunning architecture to fascinating exhibits. The building itself is a work of art, with grand halls and ornate decorations that'll transport you back in time. The architecture is a blend of Baroque and Rococo styles, making it a visual delight. I'm talking gold leaf, marble statues, chandeliers the size of my apartment. It's extra in all the right ways. Every corner of the museum exudes opulence and grandeur. Plus, wandering through those halls, you can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. The ambiance is almost magical, as if the walls themselves are whispering tales of the past. It's like stepping into another world, a world of emperors and empresses, of artists and revolutionaries. The Hermitage isn't just a museum, it's a journey through time, a portal to different eras and cultures. And let's not forget the special exhibitions. The Hermitage regularly hosts temporary exhibits that bring in unique pieces from around the globe, offering fresh perspectives and new discoveries. They also have educational programs and workshops for all ages, making it a perfect destination for families and students. It's a place where learning meets fun. And if you think the Hermitage is impressive during the day, wait until you see it at night. The museum offers night tours that provide a completely different experience, with the halls illuminated in a soft, enchanting glow. The Hermitage isn't just about static displays, it's a living, breathing cultural hub. They host concerts, performances, and cultural events that bring the museum to life in unexpected ways. Visitors often describe their experience as transformative, a deep dive into the richness of human creativity and history. It's a place that leaves a lasting impression long after you've left its grand halls. And before you leave, don't forget to check out the gift shop and cafe. You can take a piece of the Hermitage home with you, whether it's a book, a print, or just a memory of a delicious Russian pastry. So whether you're an art aficionado, a history enthusiast, or just someone looking for a unique experience, the Hermitage Museum has something to offer. It's more than just a pretty painting. It's a gateway to the past, a celebration of human achievement, and a testament to the enduring power of art. Next up, we're headed to a church that's as beautiful as its name is morbid, the Church of the Savior on Spilled Blood. This iconic landmark is one of the most visited sites in St. Petersburg, and for good reason. Its stunning architecture and rich history make it a must-see for anyone visiting the city. Yeah, you heard that right. The name might sound a bit grim, but the story behind it is deeply significant. The church was constructed as a memorial to honor Tsar Alexander II, who was assassinated on this very spot in 1881. His death marked a pivotal moment in Russian history, and the church stands as a testament to his legacy. This architectural masterpiece was built on the very spot where Tsar Alexander II was assassinated in 1881. The site was chosen specifically to commemorate the tragic event, and the church was funded by the imperial family and private donors who wanted to honor the fallen Tsar. Now, this isn't your typical somber church. Unlike many other memorials, the Church of the Savior on Spilled Blood is a vibrant celebration of life and art. Its exterior is a riot of color and detail, with onion domes covered in vibrant mosaics that shimmer in the sunlight. The design is a stark contrast to the dark event it commemorates, symbolizing hope and renewal. It's a riot of color and detail, with onion domes covered in vibrant mosaics that shimmer in the sunlight. These mosaics are made up of millions of tiny pieces of glass and stone, each one meticulously placed to create stunning images and patterns. The craftsmanship is truly remarkable, and it's easy to see why the church is considered one of the finest examples of Russian architecture. It's like something out of a fairy tale, but with a slightly darker twist. The whimsical design elements give the church a magical quality, but the underlying story adds a layer of depth and complexity. It's a place where beauty and tragedy coexist, creating a unique and powerful experience for visitors. Inside, it's even more breathtaking. The interior of the church is just as impressive as the exterior, if not more so. The walls and ceilings are covered in intricate mosaics, depicting scenes from the Bible and Russian history. Each mosaic is a work of art in its own right, and together they create a stunning visual narrative that tells the story of faith and resilience. The walls are covered in intricate mosaics depicting scenes from the Bible and Russian history. These mosaics are not only beautiful but also incredibly detailed, with each scene carefully crafted to convey a specific message or story. The level of detail is astounding, and it's easy to spend hours admiring the artistry and craftsmanship that went into creating them. It's like stepping into a giant, glittering jewel box. The interior is filled with light and color, creating a sense of wonder and awe. The mosaics catch the light in such a way that they seem to glow from within, adding to the magical atmosphere of the church. It's a truly unforgettable experience. You almost forget you're in a place built to commemorate a tragedy. The beauty of the church is so overwhelming that it can be easy to lose sight of its somber origins. But the story of Tsar Alexander II is an integral part of the church's identity, and it's important to remember the history that it represents. But that's the thing about St. Petersburg. It's a city that embraces its history, both the good and the bad. The Church of the Savior on Spilled Blood is a perfect example of this. It stands as a reminder of a tragic event, but it also celebrates the resilience and creativity of the Russian people. It's a place where the past and present come together in a beautiful and meaningful way. And the Church of the Spilled Blood is a stunning reminder of that. It's a place where history is not only remembered but also celebrated. The church is a symbol of hope and renewal, showing that even in the darkest of times, there is always the potential for beauty and growth. It's a testament to the power of art and faith to transform even the darkest of times. The church is a shining example of how creativity and spirituality can come together to create something truly extraordinary. It's a place that inspires and uplifts, reminding us of the enduring power of the human spirit. Plus, you get some killer Instagram shots here, just saying. The vibrant colors and intricate details make for some truly stunning photos, and it's no wonder that the church is a favorite among photographers and social media enthusiasts. So, whether you're a history buff, an art lover, or just looking for a great photo op, the Church of the Savior on Spilled Blood is definitely worth a visit. Chapter 3. Cruising the Neva, the best way to see the city. Alright, time for a change of pace. After all that walking and museum hopping, your feet probably need a break. So let's hop on a boat and experience St. Petersburg from the water. The Neva River flows right through the heart of the city, and a boat tour is hands down the best way to see all the major sights. You'll glide past grand palaces, imposing fortresses, and those iconic drawbridges that rise and fall like clockwork. Trust me, the views are epic. And the best part? You can just sit back, relax, and let the city unfold before your eyes. It's the perfect way to soak in the atmosphere of St. Petersburg and appreciate its unique beauty. Plus, you can finally take a break from navigating those cobblestone streets. Seriously, my ankles are still recovering. But don't worry, the adventure isn't over yet. We've still got a lot more ground to cover. Chapter 4. Rubinstein Street, where the night comes alive. Alright, party people, it's time to turn up the volume and experience the electric nightlife of St. Petersburg. And there's no better place to do that than on Rubinstein Street. This place is a maze of bars, clubs, and restaurants, each with its own unique vibe. Whether you're into craft cocktails, live music, or just want to dance the night away, Rubinstein Street has got you covered. I'm talking speakeasies hidden behind unmarked doors, rooftop bars with panoramic city views, and clubs that'll keep you moving till dawn. And the best part? The energy here is infectious. It's impossible not to get swept up in the excitement and let loose. Just remember to pace yourself because things can get pretty wild on Rubenstein Street, and trust me, you don't want to miss out on the rest of the adventure because of a hangover. Speaking of adventure, let's move on to our final destination. Chapter 5. Peterhof Palace, a royal escape. Last but definitely not least, we're heading out of the city center to explore the jaw-dropping Peterhof Palace. This magnificent estate is located about 30 kilometers west of St. Petersburg, and the journey itself is a scenic delight. As you leave the bustling city behind, the landscape gradually transforms into serene countryside, setting the stage for the grandeur that awaits. Often referred to as the Russian Versailles, Peterhof Palace is like Versailles on steroids. While Versailles is undoubtedly grand, Peterhof takes opulence to a whole new level. The sheer scale and extravagance of this place are mind-boggling. It's a sprawling complex of palaces, gardens, and fountains that'll make you feel like you've stepped into a real-life fairy tale. The meticulously designed gardens stretch as far as the eye can see, with intricate patterns and vibrant flower beds that change with the seasons. Seriously, this place is straight out of a history book. Every corner of Peterhof is steeped in history, and you can almost hear the whispers of the past as you wander through its majestic grounds. It was built by Peter the Great in the 18th century as a summer residence, and it's easy to see why he chose this spot. The location offers stunning views of the Gulf of Finland, and the cool breeze from the water provides a refreshing escape from the summer heat. The gardens are immaculate, with perfectly manicured lawns, cascading fountains, and golden statues that seem to shimmer in the sunlight. These statues, often depicting mythological figures, add a touch of magic to the already enchanting surroundings. And the palace itself is just as impressive. As you step inside, you're greeted by a world of luxury and elegance that defies description. It's a masterpiece of Baroque architecture with opulent interiors that'll leave you speechless. The walls are adorned with intricate carvings, and the ceilings are painted with breathtaking frescoes that tell stories of gods and heroes. We're talking gold leaf, marble, and enough chandeliers to light up a small city. Each room is a testament to the craftsmanship and artistry of the time, with every detail meticulously crafted to perfection. Peterhof is a testament to the grandeur and ambition of the Russian Empire, and it's a fitting end to our adventure through St. Petersburg. As you stand in the midst of this architectural marvel, you can't help but feel a deep sense of awe and admiration for the visionaries who brought it to life. This royal escape is not just a journey through space, but a journey through time, offering a glimpse into the opulent world of the Russian aristocracy. Until next time, St. Petersburg. Thanks for joining me on this journey through St. Petersburg. We've explored world-class museums, marveled at architectural wonders, cruised down the Neva River, and even had a taste of the city's legendary nightlife. St. Petersburg is a city that truly has it all: history, culture, art, and a vibrant energy that's impossible to resist. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell for more city wonders. I'm already planning my next adventure, and I can't wait to share it with you. See you in the next adventure.